Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show Copilot icon on taskbar in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show Copilot icon on Windows 11 taskbar, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down, click on Taskbar here. Under Search bar items, you will find here Copilot, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And look, now Copilot icon is showing on taskbar in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.